In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect X, formerly Twitter, to n8n with OAuth2 and post a test tweet. By the end, you'll have a working connection you can reuse in your automations without exposing any sensitive information. Start in your n8n dashboard. On the left menu, open Credentials, then click Add Credential. In the search box, type X and choose the X OAuth2 API option. This creates the container for your connection details. Inside the credential setup, you'll see an OAuth redirect URL generated by n8n. Copy that exact URL. It's critical that this matches what you'll configure in your X developer app. Any mismatch will cause the OAuth handshake to fail. Now switch to the X developer portal and open your app. Go to User Authentication Settings and click Edit. Here, set your app permissions to read and write so your workflows can create tweets. In the callback or redirect URL field, paste the OAuth redirect URL you just copied from n8n. For the website URL, you can use http:/n8n.io. Save your changes. If you get an error at this stage, double-check that the URL is complete, uses HTTPS, and is identical to what n8n showed. Next, in your X developer app, open Keys and Tokens. Copy the client ID and the client secret. Keep these secure. You'll only paste them into n8n and never share them elsewhere. Return to your n8n credential. Paste the client ID and client secret into their respective fields. Then click Connect OAuth account. A browser window will prompt you to log in and authorize access for your brand account. Approve the request to finish the connection. If the authorization window doesn't appear, temporarily disable pop-up blockers and try again. Let's test the integration. Open or create a workflow and add a Create Tweet node. Select the X OAuth2 credential you just configured. In the text field, enter a simple message like, "Hello from n8n Automation." Click Execute Node. If everything is set correctly, the tweet will post to your X account within a few seconds. If it doesn't, review the app permissions, confirm the redirect URL matches exactly, and verify that you use the correct client ID and client secret. That's it. You've connected n8n to your brand's X API, and you're ready to automate posting tweets, generate AI-assisted content, build broader social media automation, and schedule posts directly from your workflows. Save your credential in n8n so you can reuse it across nodes and projects, and keep your keys safe for future updates.